Hey, this is Corey from Wolfpack Woodcraft. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Zippo lighter inserts. Now, I have a few here, and I want to share the pros and cons and what I have found in them. If you've been subscribed to my channel, you know that I carry a Zippo lighter every single day, but it's not really a Zippo lighter. It's just a Zippo casing with a Vector Thunderbird insert inside. And so here I have just the case. And so this fits inside of here, and then it turns your Zippo lighter into a torch lighter, which I prefer because you can aim the flame a lot better. When I'm starting fire, fire likes to climb. So if I can point that and get it down underneath everything, it really helps start the fire faster and easier when you can get it to the very bottom and let it climb through all your tinder. So I prefer a torch over a flame lighter. And one of the biggest issues I have with the Thunderbird is if I open it and I don't touch it, I just go to close it again, it hits the insert, okay? And so what you have to do for most people, they open it, they use it, and then when they use it, it pushes it back down, and then they're able to close it no problem. And it's just kind of annoying to me that it doesn't fit in there quite right. The other issue that I had is the back here is open. So if I get to the focus here, there's this big hole in the middle of the lighter. And so when it's inside its case, it's not a big deal, but as you're filling it and doing other things with it, you got to make sure that whatever's in there doesn't fall out and other stuff doesn't get inside of there. The other issues is all the plastic. So the bottom is plastic. The adjusting screw, if it'll focus here. The adjusting screw is plastic. Everything is plastic except for this top half. So everything below this top half is plastic. And now when I first got this wipe, I was able to hold it to the light and kind of see how much fuel I had left. But over time, it's kind of hazed over and I can't see through it anymore. With the Zippo is all metal construction. So this is a torch insert made by Zippo, which they haven't had for as long as I know. And for the Zippo brand, that same hole is closed. And the whole thing is metal construction. It has these lines on the bottom that are little, they flare out, which makes it friction fit inside of the cases better. And so when I open and close this, nothing interferes. This thing fits in there perfectly. Everything, the fit and finish on the Zippo brand is flawless. I love the fit and finish. I love that it's all metal. I don't have to worry about anything breaking. I don't have to worry about anything getting into anything. I could literally carry this around and not worry about anything. I wouldn't want to carry this around because of that opening and the plastic. Again, both of these, the button might go off in your pocket, so I recommend putting it inside of a case. But the construction wise, I feel a lot safer with this construction than I do with this. The other huge advantage to the Zippo brand is it's cheaper. It's a much more affordable option. And so not only is it higher quality, it's built for these Zippo cases, it's also inexpensive, which is nice. One of the things that I wanted to show you guys that I found interesting, it really doesn't mean anything, but if you take the normal insert, so here's the normal Zippo insert with the flame, it is the standard, comes inside every single Zippo, and this one, these two, the Vector and the flame insert, are the exact same size. So if I put this on top of here, you can kind of see they're the same size. But if I take the Zippo torch and I put that next to this, you can see that the one is taller. The torch lighter is taller than the flame lighter. You can see that little bit sticking on top there. And so they built the torch lighter to take up this whole inside of the case. And so that must be why it doesn't move around. Not only does it have those flanges to friction fit in there to keep it from moving up and down, but the fact that it fills that whole case makes it a lot smoother, a lot more easy to manipulate the slider. And so again, if I were to recommend one, I would recommend the Zippo. It's much more affordable. Well, not much more affordable, but it's a few dollars cheaper. The build quality seems to be much better. And the bottoms, even the bottoms are better. The Zippo, everything is metal, where with the Thunderbird, it's all plastic. So you can see the screw to adjust is plastic, where it's a metal screw in the Zippo. And so I like the build quality of the Zippo better. I like the price of the Zippo better. The only advantage you're going to get with the Thunderbird is they make a clear bottom, and so you're able to see how much fuel you have. And so this white one has fogged over time and I can't see through it anymore. But they do make a clear bottom, and that clear bottom would make it a lot easier to maintain your fuel levels and understand how much you have left and how much you're going through. And so that would be a nice feature that you're never going to get with a solid metal construction. But for me, I prefer the build quality over the convenience of knowing how much fuel I have. I don't use this thing and when I'm in dire straits. I don't rely on it to be my one and only source of fire in emergency situations. To me, it's just a lighter to light some candles, light a fire real easy. And so for me, I like the Zippo better, but I want to know in that comment section which one you prefer. Would you prefer that clear bottom so you can monitor your fuel, or do you like the build construction and the price of the Zippo better? Leave that in the comment section down below, and I cannot wait to see you on my next video.